Hi.
My message for today is I'm very thankful, sir, because you become my second parents. Yes.
Mga katakalkuman ng parents.
And thank you for your hard work. And thank you for sunshine.
Thank you for the rain.
No, I don't like it. I just thank you, sir, because you're always there for us whenever we're sad. And you always make us try in your burden subject. That's all. Thank you, sir. Sir, this is for you, sir. And
Thank you. Oh, next. Oh, dala sumsunod. Oh, say it pa. Oh, say na. One minute na basag. Oy, asabon ko di mo pagkonon.
Masasabi ko lang po, thank you po na nagkaroon kami teacher na kagaya mo po, mabait, at magaling at saka pinakatayo sa lahat, hindi nakikinig at nagpapasaway. And thankful kami para sa inyo. Yun lang po, sir.
Pero ato talaga, pinakulog niya, kanan ko talaga to. Oh, next! Ano na kubura na? Wala lang ito. Hi. Thank you.
Na pinagkakaw mo sa akin, sir. Sorry po sa mga... Sir, Rita. Pinang ikapapawiyaman, sir. Sir, thank you. Sir, Rita. Meron naman ang mga problema na. Ako naman, sinayabing na po.
Thank you.
Love you, sir.
Love you too. Next. Yes.
Teacher's Day, thank you for teaching us. Salamat sir sa pagiging concern mga teacher para sa amin. Thank you sir.
Thank you. Next. Hi.
Thank you sa intero. Thank you pa.
Thank you. Oh, sunod. Ano? Ay, baka ko kasalanan ni Sato Kuwa Mount Masaraga. Sabi ka di mo na ako mag-iyan sa day. Oh, next. Dana. Ay, kiyo.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Thank you for everything. Payabaiton for me.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Sunod. Dalan mo na. Isay na sumsunod, isay na sumsunod. Sa Big Bura. O, dali na, go na. Sinin, lahat na sinin. O, Nin. O, go JM. Thank you. Pauno. Thank you. Next. Hi.
First of all, I just want to thank you for being the best teacher for us, and I want to greet you Happy Teachers Day. I hope that you will teach us through the school year and much more.
Thank you. Next. Ano, Dana? Yes, darling. Ayoson mo, darling.
My one and only wish po, sana po, huwag kang magsasawa sa amin and don't be stressed po this year.
Thank you. Next. Next na. Hi.
Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for always there for us. Even we are the worst section, hindi ka pa rin po sumuko. Thank you, sir. I love you.
Thank you. Next. Hi.
Teacher's Day. Thank you sa ulam ng mga masasirang na bitaw. Labusog kami. Thank you po.
Next. Hi.
I just want to say Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for everything. You're the best teacher I've ever had. Love you, sir.
Thank you.
Wow! Oh my God.
Next. Paano? Next. Next. Una. Laka short. Next. Ada tawag na ako kama audience. Hi. Dana lugod. Erika. Go na.
Happy Teachers Day and stay happy. Thank you sa support and stay healthy.
Thank you. Matadiabetes na naman ako, Kadi. I'll go.
Sir, Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for everything. We love you so much.
Thank you. Next.
Happy Teacher's Day po. Thank you for the pag-ibig sa Rats. Thank you so much.
Next. Dana.
sa amin. Dawa na lang. Sorry po. Karami kami na sa section napapasabag. Pero okay lang. Happy Teacher's Day. I love
Thank you, love you. Oh, next. Dana.
Malita naman yan, sir. Malita.
Maleta.
So, hi, sir.
Hi, Sammy.
Happy Teacher's Day. We all know that we are the worst and basta. Yun na yun. Tapos, thank you sa di mo kami pabayaan, bagad ko. Ikausip mo kami kadalan. Pag kailangan naman kausip. Tapos, we all know na grabe na mga ugali namin, hindi kami nagbabago. Ang attitude naman di nagbabago. Lahat. Pero, pinagtsagaan mo pa din kami. And, sabi mo ba sir, hanggang graduation natin kaya, ano ugali naman pagtsagaan mo pa?
Talaga ba? Oh, next.
For the last Happy Teacher Day.
Teacher Day?
Teacher Day.
Balitaan sila, pasako ba? Happy Teacher Day.
Hi.
Thank you sa mga advice and activities.
Thank you. Okay na? Dana? Saan sa iba?
We all have one. The last one.
Daho.
Certificate of Appreciation.
Ay.
They represent
Wow!
Team Jan Island Daan in recognition of your invaluable dedication, commitment, and passion for teaching. On this day, Teacher's Day, we, your students, want to sincerely thank you for your patience, kindness, and all the valuable lessons you share with us every day. Your hard work and guidance make a big difference in our lives, and we are truly grateful to have you as our teacher. During this day, 3rd day of October 2025, at San Faustina National High School, San Faustina, Buwig, Camarines.
Oh, thank you so much. Hindi ay, wow, thank you. Thank you. Iba man talaga. Ay, paano sa Lunes? Nag-expect pati ko. Dapat agosadi ko agosadi ano to? House and lot. Tapos anong kiton, kotse, sports car. Dapat Ferrari, specific Ferrari. So, susi sa ito na sa susi. Na-advance sa susi. Ano lang ka sa kotse. Okay.